Hello friends, this is Vitthal. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create simple WCF REST service. So to understand WCF REST service, you need at least beginner knowledge on WCF service. So if you not have any beginner knowledge on WCF service, then please refer my previous article which teach you how to create simple WCF service and what is WCF service. So before going to create WCF REST service, I have written one article on it that is how to create WCF REST service, which I have got lots of response on it. So to make a visualize understanding on it, so I have decided to record this video tutorial so you can understand very easily to create WCF REST service step by step. So let us first we need to add the project WCF projects. So go to the new file project and find the WCF service template, that is WCF service application. Now give the WCF service name as employee service, or as you can give anything, employee service, and click on OK button. It will create the one WCF service. So wait, it will create one simple WCF service to work. Now suppose this is a service and by default it is added two classes here. One is interface, I means this is interface, and SBC. So delete by default these classes. As you might be thinking that why I am deleting these classes. I am deleting because I want to teach you it's from scratch so you can understand. So go there and add, wait, it is initializing. So add new item and find this is a WCF template, where you find so it will be below WCF, WCF, right, WCF. So that we can give the name employee or employee info service, EMP info service. You can give any name, is EMP info service. Now click on add button. It will create again one simple classes and all. So let them understand it. This is the interface where we will actually write our service contract and operation contract. This is nothing but the it's interface. So what is this I? I is the naming convention. You can give the name anything, but it is preferred to use I before declaring the interface because it is easy to understand. And this is the one SBC file where we implement our interface. So let us start creating the WCF REST template. So go to the uh, I info service interface here. This is a service contract from which the interface is started. Now remove it. So I can type from scratch so you can understand. Right here we are declaring one method, that is operation contract, and here this is suppose string get emp salary. Alright, okay, this is one simple method, and suppose it is taking the parameter, that is string emp id, right? So so this is a one simple simple operation contract means method we have created in a interface. I hope it is viewable for all of you. So this is a one simple method. So we need to configure this one as a REST template. So how to configure it? Remove it. We don't need this. So go here. We need to use, that is web web invoke or invoke. So it will be, so it will ask you to fix it. So show potential fix one, you need to use using system dot service dot web, that is web invoke. So what is this web invoke? Let us see. And indicating that a service operation is logically invoke operation and that can be called by WCF REST programming model. So this is the attribute which specifically points that this operation can be called by the REST programming model. So let us configure this template. That is, we will add our method. There are two templates. Let I explain. That is, first is webget. It's webget and webinode. So what is the difference between these two? Webinode will work on all the HTTP protocols such as HTTP protocol methods such as get, post, put, delete, but WebGet is only works on get get method of HTTP. So we does not need this. So we will go through using the Webinode. So this one define the method. Let's take this lots of parameters such as body style, method, request format, response format, and URI template. So let us learn about it. First, we need to define the method. Which method we are going to invoke this WCF REST service. Method means, yeah, I have already explained, that is there are different methods of HTTP, that is get, post, put, and delete. So which type of method we are using in the REST? So here we will using the get. So we can get the employee salary details, and later on we need to define URI template. URI template. The sequence may be anything as you wish. So URI template is what? URI template is nothing but the method or URL structure from using which you can consume the service. So it may be anything. It may be method name, or I can put anything. So I will put, suppose, EMP salary, EMP salary details. So it will be anything, but this URI template will be invoke this method. Also, you can put this method here. So make you people understand. So I will put here EMP salary detail and also here get EMP salary detail. So you can understand in advance. And next step is, suppose I will take here. It's very long. So this one is the another is request format. Request means in which format we are going to request this REST template or REST method. So define web message format dot there are two methods. There are two message format. One is JSON and another is the XML. That is most commonly used, but we will use the JSON. And later on is the request format and response format. Response format means nothing but the what type of response we want when you request to the REST service. So there are again there are two types of web message format, that is JSON or XML. So these are the nothing but the in what format you want output, either in XML or either in JSON. So according to your need, you can put here. So I'm putting here JSON, and later on there are two methods, and then after that there is another method we need to configure is, that is, see here, web message body style. Web message body style. So let us body style is equals to, so what is this body style we will learn. Web message format dot web message format body style dot There are different body style format. That is, if you see, wait, I am taking this one below. So, so see, this is one. There are different body style. This is a bear. Bear means both the request and response are not wrapped. So what is wrapped? We will see. And this is one, both request and responses are wrapped. And this is a request and wrapped and response are not wrapped. So these are the things. Response are wrapped and request are not wrapped. So what is this? We will learn in later. So we can put now for this wrapped, right? Or we can put bear as well. So we will learn in my next tutorial in detail about it. So close this one. So now our REST template is configured to use, right? So it here, now implement this interface method here. That is, right click, show potential fixes, or you can implement is explicitly, or you can implement interface here. Click on this. Now this method is here. Now return here logic anything. If you want pull data from the database, they can then can write, you can here you can write database related logic, but we are not going through the database, so we will simply return from here. Return salary of salary of salary of EMP ID is something. Suppose I will put here 2000, or suppose 2000 is very less today, so I will put 40,000 or anything. 1 2 3 4 4,000, I will put 4,000. So this will be, output will be returned to the client. So I will explain it again. This is our simple service contract. Service contract is nothing but that it is a interface name is termed as a service, and this is a operation contract. Inside the service contract there is a one operation contract. Operation contract is nothing but it will be expose our business logic to the outside world. And this is a web Inuk is nothing but the web Inuk is a template where you can configure our REST template, and it will be notify that this method only called by REST programming model. So this is all about the web invoke. In here we have decided, we have declared that is what type of HTTP method we will call this REST service. This is the get. What is the URL template? This is the AMP salary detail. And what is the request format of this REST template? This is the JSON. Response will be only in a JSON format. Body style is wrapped. And this is the one simple method. And it will be take the input as a one EMP ID. And here we have implemented this get EMP salary method, from which the ID will come and is return the salary of particular employee. So this is an example. So we can put anything. So now this is a very simple task. Now the most people saying that is the most difficult task is to configure the endpoints and service behavior. But believe me, it is also very simple. So we need not to do anything extra here. We need to just configure our uh, service behavior. So service behavior, let us see. It's a services service behavior will, the lock item. It's all these things here already here. So this is name. Give the name as service behaviors or anything. So it can configure the our endpoints. Endpoints nothing but the our service contract. So this is about the service. And let us understand what is this. So this is the service metadata. This is the HTTP get enabled is equal to true, and HTTPS get enabled to true. So suppose our service working on two protocols, that is HTTPS and HTTP, then can we need to enable both the protocol, that is HTTP and HTTP. Yes, so we are working on HTTP protocol, so we need to remove this HTTPS. So this is all about the service behavior configuration. Now next very important step is we need to configure our which one endpoints. So let us go there, type here. Another one is we need to configure, that is service behavior. We will service behavior. Oh, service behavior is already is configured. So we will put here endpoint behaviors. And so what is endpoint behaviors? That is behavior and name is equals to, that is web. Put here now which one, that is web HTTP. So this is our service behavior. What is your service behavior name? That is web. So how these are dependent on each other we will learn. So this is all about this. So now we need to configure the services. So how to configure services and endpoints? Remove this one. Type here, that is service behaviors. Now this will be sorry, we are going some wrong way. So just put here, now right here services. And now services is nothing but these are the services which we have created, we need to configure here. So later on you will understand that how to configure it. Services, this is the service, that what behavior configuration is equals to service behavior, that is this one, right? So put here, now it should be endpoint configuration. Address, put is a blank, no need. Now binding name will be suppose this is also we don't need. So binding configuration we have already defined. Now let us configure. First is a contract. So contract is nothing but our interface name. So what is your interface name? The in a employee service dot emp info service. Employee service is our whole rest service, so whole rest service application name, and imp info service is the interface name. Where it is, let's see. This is the namespace, and under that this is the interface. See this is the namespace, and under this is the interface. Interface is nothing but the service contract. So we need to define here contract. So we have defined here contract. Now next thing is, what is next thing is very important things we are missing, and that one is the binding. Which binding we need to use when you're working on REST service? This is a web HTTP binding we need to use. So this is all about the service contribution. So what we are missing here? Name. Service name is employee service emp info service. This is our service name. So this is the employee, this is the contract, and this is service name. Don't get confused between the contract and service. Contract is nothing but the interface name, and service is nothing but the it is a our employee method. Let's see, this is one our we are exposing this method service name. So let us, we have done all this thing, all the configuration. Now Now let us run. What will happen? We will see. There are many things to test the WCF REST service, but simply we'll browse this one, the browser. So it will be run once successful. It's building. Wait for few times. It is building now. Right. So our service is now running. Wait. So this is our service. Under that, this is the emp service dot is our method name. So where to test it? We can test also here because our browser by default behavior is get. So just put our method name. Method name is, which is our method name, REST template method name. This will not be accept. Only this will be accept. This is one. Go there and now pass here parameter. Parameter is, suppose we put any MP ID b1 b187. Okay, this is a emp id because this method takes one parameter, that is emp id, so we are passing it. Now it's a browser button, click on that. So cannot be processed to receiver due to the address filter mismatch. The endpoint dispatcher check that the send receiver endpoint address agree. Okay, so we have missed some configuration. So how to fix it? Let us see. We need to check again our configuration. So let us check where you have missed. Now go here and let us share name here configuration, or your configuration is web, right? So this we have missed. That is very important. So we have missed this one. That's why this error is came. So let us wait again. So take the same parameters b11 and now operation contract get emp salary is a contract as you just get, but also as a body parameter emp id. Yet operation cannot be have a body, either make the parameter emp id in a url template. Oh, right. So let us understand. uh, I have take this error to you because you also understand why this error come. We have how we have configure our url template. Let's see. We are not configure our this REST template URI template to take the or accept the parameter. So how to put that? Just go here, or this one, put one, this is one, can put here emp id, so it will be accept the one input parameter. So go there again, build. So this one now run. See, this is a JSON format output. If you not see, let's say I will so wait. So this is a JSON format output. Get emp salary. This salary of B187 is 4004, means 4000. So let us check using the REST client. This is the REST. This simple. Put here and send. See, the status code is 200, means okay. Cache control is private. Content length 46, and see, this is the content types, means this is the application slash JSON, means JSON format, because we have written the output in a JSON format. So this is a response. See, this is the all the output is in a JSON format. So response body, that is get empty salary result is salary of P11 is 4000. Response preview, see this one response. So this is all about the WCF REST service. So I hope you have learned how to create WCF REST service step by step. And if you want more articles and more stuff related to MSc, WCF REST, Web API, then please visit my blog, that is www.compilemode.com. Let me write here www dot, or I will write in a string, that is www.compilemode.com. This is my blog name. Let's see, string blog name, or blog name is equals to blog name is equals to www.compilemode.com. For more details related to latest technologies and all new stuffs, please visit my blog, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.